Learning English can seem difficult at first, but with the right mindset and a clear step-by-step approach, it becomes not just easier but also enjoyable. The first thing to do before beginning your English journey is to ask yourself why you want to learn English, whether it's for traveling, career growth, watching movies, studying abroad, or simply making new friends, because your why will keep you motivated during hard days. Once your reason is clear, it's time to understand the right way to learn English. Most people start with grammar rules and vocabulary lists, but this often leads to confusion and boredom. The most natural way to learn English is like a child learns their mother tongue, by listening first, then speaking, followed by reading and writing. Start with listening daily. Listen to English videos, songs, and podcasts, even if you don't understand everything at first. Watch English cartoons or YouTube videos with subtitles and try to repeat simple sentences to train your ears and mouth. Next, speaking is key, so don't be afraid to start speaking from day one. You can speak to yourself in the mirror, describe what you're doing in English, or record yourself and listen back. You can also join language exchange apps or groups on WhatsApp, Facebook, or HelloTalk to find speaking partners. Reading helps you grow vocabulary and understand sentence structure, so try reading short English stories, news articles in simple English, or subtitles while watching videos. Make it a habit to read aloud to improve pronunciation. Writing is another important skill. Begin by writing your daily routine in English, journaling a few lines a day, or posting comments on social media in English. Use tools like Grammarly to check and learn from your mistakes. Instead of diving deep into grammar, start with useful sentence patterns like I want to, I need to, can I, where is, and how do you? These are easy to use in daily conversations and will help you sound more natural. Fluency comes with use, not with memorization. Make a habit of practicing every day for at least 30 minutes using all 4 skills. For example, you can make a weekly routine: Monday for listening, Tuesday for speaking, Wednesday for reading, Thursday for writing, Friday for listening and speaking together, Saturday for a fun mix of all 4 skills, and Sunday for reviewing everything you learned. Surround yourself with English in your environment by changing your phone's language to English, labeling items in your home with English names, following English YouTube channels and Instagram pages, and even talking to yourself in English. The more you stay in contact with the language, the faster your brain adapts. Remember that mistakes are natural and necessary. Everyone makes them, and they are a sign of progress. Don't wait to be perfect. Instead, speak confidently and let your fluency grow naturally. Celebrate your small wins, like your first full sentence, your first conversation, or the first time you understand a video without subtitles. These moments matter and show your progress. Learning English is like growing a plant. You water it a little every day, and one day you see it bloom. So start small. Watch one video, write one sentence, speak one line, and read one short article each day. Over time, these little habits will lead to big changes. You don't need to be the best. You just need to stay consistent. Whether you're 10 years old or 60, whether you live in a city or a village, English is for everyone. You have everything you need to succeed: your mind, your voice, and your willpower. So let's make a promise today. We will learn English step by step, day by day, mistake by mistake. And remember, I'll be here with you in this journey every day with new lessons and motivation. So don't forget to subscribe, and together, we'll make English simple, fun, and part of your life.